So here we are, back in Flight Sim. Sun's just coming up over New Zealand. It is, what's the time here? 8 PM? No, it's 8 AM. What does that mean? 8 PM UTC. Ah, sorry, that's not local. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually start down here. There's a little airport in Manapuri. So let's start from there and work our way up into the sun. So we'll see the sunrise coming over New Zealand. I reckon that'll be pretty cool. And yeah, we'll just turn the fuel up. Good to go. That's our range. So we could actually maybe go up here and then come back around into the ocean and over towards Australia. And we'll just see how much time we got. I might just do the South Island today and maybe loop back down to Christchurch, so maybe we'll just go up and around. We'll just skip the North Island today because there's a lot to see in the South Island. And we could even do that and then skip over to Tasmania. I could just skip that travel across. Okay. Yeah, let's give that a go. Yeah, currently playing through Doom 2016 as well, so I'm still a bit rusty on the controls. I haven't played for a while, but yeah, I used to play pretty hardcore, so we're slowly getting back there. Did die a few times on the last video, but we're going to keep that going because of the new Doom game coming out. So we're going to try and get a couple of playlists going to keep things different. Just need to change the audio to headset and we're good to go. Fuel on. Where is it? Oh, there we go. And we need to enable SkySim 4. Yeah, that's good. Okay, we are in. So yeah, we'll fly off from Manapuri, we'll fly towards the sun. It's the day just breaking down there at the moment. It's already light in Auckland, but obviously not down here. Okay, let's give it a crack. We are back into Flight Sim, the best game. It's so good. Okay, disengage brakes. Thrust. Oh yeah, what a beautiful morning down here. Gears up. Okay, so let's head towards the lake and then up through, and we'll go up through Tiano area. I can see the city lights down there, how good. Stars are still out. Oh, that's Lake Manapuri down there, so I think we'll just flick around. Good. Wow, it looks amazing when the sun's coming up. So yeah, this is all live, so this is happening right now. What's the time here? 8 AM in the morning. Still that dark? No, I don't think that's entirely accurate. It might be half an hour behind maybe. Can't see too much down there, so we'll just... But yeah, there's Lake Manapuri, beautiful. 6th largest lake in New Zealand. Kepler track up here where I used to work. So we'll just shoot over these mountains. Head towards Lake Tiana and shoot up there. I can just about see that. Ah yeah, that'll be Luxmore, Mount Luxmore up there. Luxmore Hut will be down there somewhere. Looking over West Arm, Lake Tiana. That reflection, eh? It's amazing. And there's a little town down there, Tiana. Let's shoot down here and have a look. Still so dark. I was hoping it would be a little bit lighter, but the sort of haziness of the morning's just coming through now. But the further north we head, the more we will see. By the time we get to like Christchurch, it should be pretty light. There's Tiano Downs, I'm pretty sure. Tiano Downs. I guess we'll just blast up the valley here, eh? You can always gain a bit of altitude to see if the sun is hitting us yet.
Request clearance to transition shortly airspace.
Oh yeah, we can already see Lake Whakatipu over there.
Cleared for Charlie airspace RFAL M11F001.
Snow-capped mountains over there. Just can't get bored of flying over this place. It's just so nice. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, it seems a lot lighter already. So yeah, we're just trying to mix up the games a bit. I mean, I'm enjoying Microsoft Flight Simulator at the moment. But we're definitely going to play some Far Cry. Some more Doom. Doom Eternal is going to be ongoing as well. And Shadow of the Tomb Raider, I want to go through that whole game as well. And a few others as well. So, yeah, plenty of options to go through. So many games on Steam. I do prefer the older games. They just age really well, you know. Especially Far Cry. But yeah, we will explore Australia as well, so it's kind of next on the list. And then we'll do Southeast Asia, like Philippines and maybe Vietnam. We're going to try and stick in the Pacific region, so we did try South America, but the satellite imagery wasn't as good as I thought it would have been, unfortunately. Just flying over Queenstown now. Queenstown in the morning. Maybe we will turn them markers off, there's quite a few there, eh? Here she is, Queenstown. Frankton, Queenstown Airport. There's beautiful Arrowtown. It used to be an old mining town where it's actually quite interesting. They used to have the kind of Asian Chinese workers living there, and then everyone else lived in Queenstown. So it was very much divided, eh? It was quite strange. A lot of history there. The gold mining. See, when we come a bit higher, it does definitely help. Ah, there we go, just turned it up. That's much better. Sorry about that, I had the filter turned off. HDR filter. Yeah, we're sort of just exploring the mountains, eh? It's just the most phenomenal area. Treble cam. Let's fly over it. Treble cam's actually up there, not down there. There it is, TC. Ski area. Where's the access road? Oh, it's over here. Yeah, okay. Sorry, it's down here. That's TC down there. Definitely more snow this time of year though. Let's have a look at the valley here and go towards Aspiring National Park. It's actually just get a lot darker down here. Mount Aspiring's just there. Pretty sure that's it, just there. It's actually pretty well accurate. You can walk down this valley, we've done it a few times. You've got like French Ridge Hut to the right up here, and then, oh no, that Mount Aspiring might not be. Might be further across. Pretty sure it's up there, but I could be mistaken. Pretty sure that's it. No, it looks pretty accurate. Yeah, that's actually really well done. Like the geometry. Yeah, that's definitely Mount Aspiring. Yeah, that's it. The big plateau below. Yeah, that's the one. That's Mount Aspiring. There's the access valley there. Let's show you that, because that's an area I know quite well. Without crashing. How beautiful is this in the morning though, eh? Just incredible. So yeah, French Ridge Hut, I'm pretty sure, is just at that ridge line. And you got Liverpool Hut on the other side. Oh, it's just so hard to get close. And you walk up this valley here, Seoul National Park. And there's Seoul National Park to here, and then it changes back to farmland, like private land. There's like a distinct line. Can't see it because of the snow, but it's farmland down here on the farm trail next to the river, and then further up the valley, yeah, it just changes to National Park. Pretty incredible. All down to dark again. Okay, let's pull up and show you from above. Oh, we've got another player, Alex. We'll try and stay in the main mountain range. I'm not going to deviate too much. We'll just head on a northerly kind of bearing, northeasterly. Minaret Bay. Yeah, this game is working real smooth now. I've got it optimized, so I'm really happy. And give you guys the best experience you can with the RTX card 4050. Really, performance is quite good though for a laptop. I'm really impressed. It's handling this game really well. And it's quite a heavy game on the graphics. So this time we're going to cut across Lake Korea and go straight up. try and get a good morning view of Mount Cook. It's interesting, every time we play this, it's like the weather's just so different. Sometimes it's just stormy. I'm just trying to keep on with live weather, so I guess the more we explore, the more it changes. Oh, let's head up the valley. That looks really nice up there. I'd love to come up here in real life and just explore. One day we'll get up here, definitely. Into valley. Some of the river rendering does look a little bit strange. They're trying their best, I guess. But this is set to ultra, so the textures are ultra as well, so nothing to do with the settings. As far as I know, it must just be the way it renders. Well, hopefully they can fix that in the next Microsoft Flight Simulator. That would be nice to get everything looking just a little bit more realistic. But this looks great. But I'm sure they're going to make some vast improvements. I see some shadows and stuff look a bit strange. But then other areas look like super realistic, you know? It's just a matter of how good the satellite data is, I guess. Look at that. Wow. Oh, yeah, the sun's making a peak now. That's gorgeous, eh? Look at that. Wow. Just looks amazing. Hopkins Valley. And just to the south of us now is Lake Ohau, just down there. Just these valleys, eh? I'm really disappointed they're all square and stuff. I just wish they were nice and smooth. Seems like a very strange way to render. Okay, it looks like we're heading into Lake Pukaki. Yeah, I think we will blast up this valley again. I do really love this area. A little bit of glitching there. And we'll fly over Mount Cook and then we'll make a bank to the north. I reckon just beeline straight up there. So on the right there's Tasman Valley, and then the left is the Hooker Valley. One of the most popular areas in New Zealand for tourism. Muir Lake. That's where I camped up, on Muir Lake not too long ago. There she is, Mount Cook, looking good. Empress Glacier. There she is, Mount Cook. What a place, highest mountain in New Zealand. And you can see the ocean, look, it's just there. Okay, we'll just blast over these ridges. This is the main divide, Southern Alps. And we'll just follow that sun. It's got a lot lighter so quick. It's traveling at this speed, eh? look at that. That is absolutely incredible. We'll just track up these hills, I think, up the mountains. Try and follow the ridges. Give you guys the best scenery we can. Let's go up that valley. Just bang on our trajectory. Oh yeah, this is nice. Beautiful day in the Southern Alps. Nice and cold up there today. It's amazing just following these ridges, hey? Snowy valleys, look at that. Wow. Let's go down there. Nice. Wow. Nice wide valley here. I'm not entirely sure where this is exactly. Coming into the Canterbury region, I think. And this opens right out. I'm guessing this is near Arthur's Pass area. The map isn't zoomed out enough. Let's have a little look. Ah, yeah, we're kind of coming into that region. That looks much more realistic, hey? Look at that. Braided rivers. Come back up, we'll show you that river from high. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that, it's just so huge, eh? Absolutely massive. Let's stay on the clouds. I'm just amazed how realistic them clouds are. Look at that. It's unreal. Try and make these videos as interesting as I can, just with the scenery. I guess it's like a scenic flight series, you could say that. And we can definitely change aircrafts as well, but I just prefer the fast ones at the moment. We can take a slow, you know, little gyrocopter maybe or something around one of the cities or the local areas. If that's something people are interested in, we can definitely give that a go. Otherwise, flying jets around these places is just phenomenal. Highly recommend getting this game, for this. Just for this alone. Okay, we're coming up to Arthur's Pass National Park. I'm pretty sure this is Avalanche Peak up here. That's a complete guess, just by looking at the terrain. Pretty sure it's around here. It could be just there. Could have just flown past it. Arthur's Pass is a tiny village down here. I think it's just back there. Oh, we may as well show you. Let's have a quick look. It's hard to make these turns so quick.
119.2 RFL M11F001. Goodbye.
Should be able to see Arthur's Pass down here. Yeah, there it is. That's a little town. Absolutely beautiful place to go. This road leads from the Canterbury region right through to the west coast. Amazing place to drive if you're ever in New Zealand. We're just going to keep going up the main divide. The sun is definitely coming out up here. You can guarantee in like Stewart Island it would still be coming up in this game anyway, but yeah, definite big difference between the bottom of New Zealand and the top with the sunset, sunrise times. Sometimes it's even an hour between Auckland and like Te Anau. Oh yeah, here we go, there's a little bit of weather coming in. Look at that lighting. Wow. Across the mountains here. Surely some Lord of the Rings filming locations by the looks of it. Yes, wow. Just looks so cold, eh? These valleys get so freezing. A little bit of weather on the radar to the east. Heading into the central regions now, the lakes. Amazing how quick the terrain changes. Oh, here we go, we are at Lake Sumner. Awesome. That should mean Mount Sumner's is just up here, so one of our local mountains in Canterbury. I'm pretty sure it's up here somewhere. Doubtful range. No, I think we're too far inland. It must be further out. See how much the sun's changed already just from heading north into the sunrise? It's already completely daylight, really. Already getting sunlight in the valleys, that's great. We're almost at Nelson Lakes National Park, so we're almost at the top of the South Island. Yeah, it doesn't take long at all, eh? Te Anau is pretty much one of the most south towns in New Zealand, I guess, apart from Invercargill and a couple more southland towns. Yeah, definitely near the bottom. And then we're coming up towards Nelson Lakes. Beautiful area to go hiking as well. So I think maybe next in the series we'll do Australia again today. We'll do some Australian stuff, maybe on the west coast of Australia. Also want to do some long haul flights across regions, so we could do like some real big flights, manually flying as well. Say the whole of Australia, the mainland, maybe something like that. And then do like maybe Africa. You just don't know until you see the satellite data. Sometimes it's not too great. But this is amazing. New Zealand's really well mapped. And interesting as well. It's not just some areas you fly over are just all farmland, like flat. But this has just got so much diversity, eh? I'm pretty sure I know this area. Is this the Waioa Pass? We climbed over here. Yeah, it could be the Waioa Pass. Yes, it is. Yeah. Lake Constance down there. And Blue Lake just below there. That little one there. And Blue Lake Hut's just in here. That's incredible. I just can't believe we just popped out at that randomly. I was hoping we would. I just had kind of rough trajectory. But yeah, we walked around this whole region. Traverse Saddle is up here. Mount Traverse. Pretty sure it's that one. Yeah, I'm sure we came across here. And you start from the town of St. Arnaud, which is in this region. It's a big lake, I can't miss it. It should be just, oh there, it's over there. That must be St. Arnaud. So yeah, we actually walked across up this valley here and all the way across there. One of the most beautiful hikes I've done. It took us 5 days. It was about 110 k's. But yeah, this looks like the lake. So we must have walked right up this valley. Wow, it's just amazing. Sure, this is the town just up here. You can also get a boat to the top of the lake there. But yeah, there's St. Arnaud. Great little town. Tourist hotspot in the summer. That's kind of the entryway to Nelson Lakes National Park. It's a really great spot. That label is wrong. That's not St. Arnaud over there. It's definitely miscalculated, that one. Okay, so we've kind of popped out at the top here, so that's not too bad really. I'll be pretty happy with that for a shorter video, just half an hour. I guess we could fly to the Marlborough. Okay, we'll go to the Marlborough region as well. I think that's probably, I'm trying to keep these videos around an hour, but sometimes shorter is better. Now maybe we'll follow this river up and we'll go to the Marlborough Sounds. I'll show you around there. Actually, yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous. We'll keep going. Look at that river. Wow.
127.4
That's really well rendered. I mean, I guess it's not 100% because it's not all shiny like that, but just the braiding would be, but still looks great. Let's climb up a bit and show you from the air. Oh yeah, that's amazing.
M11F001. Request clearance to transition Charlie airspace. Cleared for Charlie airspace RFL M11F001.
Let's duck down into these valleys and show you up into the sounds. We're almost there. Beautiful. A little bit of weather. There we go, we're popping out on the sounds here. Wow, look at that scenery now. Shakespeare Bay. Wow. That must be Picton over there. Go, hey, look at that. Just the contrast in scenery from, what, 20 minutes ago. It's just phenomenal. Snow-capped mountains to beautiful fjords, shallow fjordland. Oh, sorry, not fjords, sounds. It's a sound. U-shaped valley, not V. As opposed to fjordland, which is V-shaped valleys. Yeah, that's not too bad. That's, what, 40 minutes to fly from Manipuri, Southland, to the Marlborough Sounds, top of the South Island. So I hope that was a good scenic flight. If you guys are watching the videos, that's excellent. Thanks so much. Maybe they're a bit long. Maybe I should make them shorter. You just let me know in the comments if you want us to change stuff. So we can definitely accommodate. And we can try a slower plane as well. Might be a little bit more relaxing, but this is great. Just zoom it across and it can show you as much as possible within a short time. Kind of like Google Earth on steroids, you know. Okay, thanks for watching. That's a wrap for this morning. Live weather over the South Island. Catch you next time.